So guys, now some new facing some issues. How to fix this app can't open? Check the store for more inform about the Realtek Audio Console. So how to fix this? So guys, firstly you install your driver. Right click to more options and then manage. Guys, you all update your driver or mostly network Realtek, this one. So and then close. If you using desktop, so open and check which are you motherboard using and then search. If you using 501 gigabytes, so search and download and install and then restart. And second step is, guys, you setting start button, then setting up to date your Windows clearly. When any kbk file is pending for Windows 11 update, so it's what's critical. So please up to date, okay. And if the issue not solved, so please reset your PC. Recovery, systems recovery and resets. So you please carefully keep my file, remove app and settings. If you first click the remove settings and app only, if you click second, so all means your data also. So click keep my file. Okay, so you don't if you using you have a better internet in your office on home, so you click download, cloud download, otherwise you local is okay. And then next. Okay guys, so have any issue please comment me, I will support you. Okay, bye bye, take care.